Now, let's understand the key aspects of the application. Application login must have correct industry, mobile number, and email ID of the customer, failing which that application will not be processed. Industry classification checklist can be availed from respective relationship manager. The loan application form must contain details of all partners in case of LLP or partnership firm, all directors in case of private limited companies. As per personal guarantor policy, a personal guarantor will be required in case if the business is less than 1 year, if business is handled by someone other than the primary applicant, the handling person to be co-borrower, where the signatory of the joint account is classified as both. While logging the application, these documents must be submitted for faster processing. KYC, PAN and masked Aadhaar of all applicants including co-applicants, guarantors, registration proof. The latest GST certificate must be provided with all applications. If GST is not applicable, then any other valid registration proof can be submitted. Apart from registration proof, we need partnership deed for partnership and LLP applications, MOA, AOA, COI, shareholding pattern for private limited cases, original bank statements downloaded from net banking of all bank accounts used for business purposes will be required. For example, current account, CC or OD statements must be submitted at the time of application login. If the loan amount is more than Rs 10 lakhs, ITR with audited financials including all schedules, latest 4 quarters GST returns must be submitted upfront. For KYC, details like name, date of birth, father's name and address should match across submitted KYC documents and the application. In case of name mismatch, other official valid document would be required. We hope that you found this session beneficial. Thank you for watching.